At IdolFoto, photography transcends mere snapshots. It's about weaving stories and sharing unique perspectives. Founded by passionate photographers, our mission is to craft innovative, reliable tools for everyone. From seasoned professionals to weekend explorers, we understand the exhilarating quest for the perfect shot and the frustration of cumbersome gear. That's why our equipment is meticulously designed to integrate seamlessly into your workflow, allowing you to immerse yourself in every moment. From rugged camera straps to versatile clips, each product is crafted with precision and rigorously tested in real-world conditions. We prioritize quality and durability, continually evolving through the voices of our community. At IdolFoto, we empower photographers to create and discover. Whether capturing breathtaking landscapes or intimate portraits, we support your vision, ensuring you never miss a moment. Join us on this journey and feel the impact that passionate design can have on your photography.